Hello everyone. Today I will discuss second problem of 6.1, chapter 6.1. Second problem. Here they have given diagram. Two lines x, xy and mn. Intersect at O and POY is 90 degree and this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. Okay. Now in problem what they have given? In the given figure, lines xy and mn intersect at point O if angle POY is equals to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. What they have given? Angle POY is equal to 90 degree. POY is 90 degree they have given, and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Here A is to B. These angles are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find angle C. We have to find out angle C. Okay. Now, common ratio I will consider as A is equal to 2x and B is equal to how much they have given? 3 means 3x. Okay, because they have given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, so A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. And here in this problem, xy makes a linear pair because there are three angles on the xy line. Angle POY plus angle A plus angle B is equal to how much? What is the value? 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Yesterday we have discussed about linear pair. LP means linear pair here. So angle POY, angle A, angle B are on straight line. So sum of these angles always be equal to 180 degree by using the linear pair. Yesterday we have discussed about linear pair. Okay. Already we know they have given angle POY. What is angle POY? 90 degree. Next, again what they have given? I have considered here angle A means 2x plus angle B means 3x is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So here 90 degree plus 2x plus 3x means 5x. 2 plus 3, 5x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So now 5x is equals to, I will send this 90 degree to right hand side. So 180 degree. So this is positive integer now, positive number. When I send from left hand side to right hand side, now it is negative integer. 180 minus 90 degree. So 5x is equal to, what is the value you will get? 5x is equal to 180 minus 90 means 90 degree. Now x is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. Why? Here it is multiplication. When I sign from left hand side to right hand side, it will become division. So 90 by 5. 90 by 5 means 5 on the, here what is the answer? 5 on the 5, 4 is remaining 40. 40 means 5 is the 40. So x is equal to 18 is the answer. But now I will calculate angle A and angle B first. How I will calculate? I got the x value as 18. So I know A value as 2x. A is equal to 2x. So 2x means 2 into, what is the x value? X value is 18 is equal to 2 into 18 means 36 degree. A is equal to 36 degree. Next, B is equal to 3x. Means 3 into 18. So 18 into 3 means, what is the answer? 18 into 3 means 54 degrees. So now I got the values of angle A and angle B. Now I will calculate angle C. How? I got the value of angle B, and angle B and angle C are on the straight line MN. So on the line MN, these are the two angles. What are those? Angle B plus angle C. What will be the total? 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Angle B and angle C are on straight line MS. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree. And just now we have calculated B value. What is the B value? 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now angle C is equal to 180 degree. So now when I move this 54 degree from left hand side to right hand side, what will be the answer? What will be the value? Minus 54 degree. Now it is positive. When it comes to right hand side, it is negative now, minus 54 degree. So C is equal to 180 minus 54 means, what is the answer? 180 minus 54. 180 degree minus 54. 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 6, 2 and 1. So answer is 126 degree. So angle C is 126 degree. How we have calculated that? They have given angle POY makes 90 degree and angle A, angle B are in the ratio 2:3. So here I have taken A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x, and we have to calculate angle C. So now by using the linear pair, what I have written here, angle POY plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, because they are on straight line XY. So 90 POY means 90 degree and A means 2x, B means 3x is equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 2x plus 3x means 5x is equal to 180 degree. So here 5x is equals to 180 degree. I will move 90 degree to right hand side. So now it is minus 90 degree. So 5x is equal to 90 degree. So now it is x is equal to 90 divided by 5. So 5 by 90 by 5 means I will get the answer as 18. So x value is 18. By using this x value, I can calculate angle A and angle B. So here angle A is given as 2x. 2x means 2 into 18. Why? Because we got the x value as 18. So 2 into 18 is equal to 36. 18 to the 36. Next, B. B is equal to 3x. So 3 into x value 18. So 3 into 18 means 54. So now I got the value of A and angle B. So by using the angle B, I can calculate angle C, because angle B and angle C are on straight line MN. So by using linear here, angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So angle B value is 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. So now I will move this 54 to right hand side. Now it becomes my negative integer. So C is equal to 180 minus 54. So now the final answer is C is equal to 126 degree. Okay. So now I will move to the third problem. Here in third problem they have given this diagram. So here in third problem what they have given? In given figure, angle PQR, this angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ, this angle. So angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. They have given this. Next, then prove that. What do we have to prove? Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So now they have given this angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, and we have to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, so now on line ST, so here angle PQS, see here carefully, angle PQS plus angle PQR makes 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. So here this is the point on line ST. So angle PQS plus angle PQS plus angle PQR. Angle PQR is equal to how much? 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay. Now I will send this PQS to right hand side. Okay. Now angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. When I send or move this PQ PQS to right hand side, it will become negative. So minus PQS. Angle PQR is equal to 180 minus PQS. So I will consider this as equation 1. Okay. Next, again here the point R. Again there are two angles on line ST. So here also angle PRQ, angle PRQ plus angle PRT, angle PRT, PRQ plus PRT always equals to how much? 180 degree. Okay, how? Because of linear way. Okay, so now I will move this PRT to right hand side. So PRQ, angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree minus, why minus? I will move this PRT to right hand side. So now it becomes minus PRT. Okay. So I will consider this as equation 2. Okay. So now they have given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Okay, they have given this. So here in equation 1, PQR equals to 180 minus PQS, and PRQ in equation 2, PRQ is equal to 180 minus PRQ. So from equation 1, or they have given angle PQR is equal to PRQ. Okay, so in the place of angle PQR I can write 180 degree minus PQS, because from equation 1 what we got, angle PQR is equals to 180 degree minus angle PQS. Okay, and here equals to angle PRQ. What they have given? Angle PRQ. In the place of angle PRQ, can I write 180 degree minus PRT? From equation 2 we got angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus PRT. So I will write here 180 degree minus PRT. So now here also 180 degree, here also 180 degree. I will cancel both these values, or you can move this 180 degree to right hand side. So it will become negative integer. 180 minus 180 means 0 only. So directly I will cancel here. Why? When I move this 180 to right hand side, it will become negative integer. So 180 minus 180 means 0 only. So I will cancel directly. And here also minus is present, and right hand side is also minus is present. So minus into minus plus only. So directly I will write here angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So we proved the angles PQS is equal to angle PRT. This is the problem given. How we proved? See here, they have given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. By using this, we have to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, right? So now what I did, because of linear pair there are 2 points on the line ST, Q and R are the 2 points. So here at the point Q there are 2 angles, angle PQR plus angle PQS, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to, always it will be equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay, now I will move this PQS to right hand side. So now I got equation 1 as PQR is equals to 180 degree minus PQS. So I will move this PQS to right hand side. So now it becomes negative minus PQS. I got the equation for PQR. Okay. Next I will move to the point R. Okay. Again on point R there are 2 angles. What are those? Angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to how much? 180 degree only because of linear pair. Okay. So now I will move this PRT to right hand side. So now when I move this PRT to right hand side it becomes negative. So PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus angle PRT is my second equation. So now I got the equation for PRQ also. First equation is for PQR and second equation is for PRQ. So now they have given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Okay, they have given this. Now by using the from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, in the place of angle PQR I can write from equation 180 degree minus angle PQS. Okay. Next equals to, in the place of angle PRQ from equation 2, angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree minus angle PRT. 180 degree minus angle PRT. So now I will directly cancel 180 degrees both the sides. Suppose if you want to move this 180 degree to right hand side, it will become negative integer. So 180 minus 180 is equal to 0. So now I will directly cancel 180 and 180. And here also minus is present. Here also minus is present. Minus into minus means plus only. So angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. We have proved angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. I hope you all are clear. So in next class I will discuss further problems. Okay. Thank you all.